Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Arise Crossover Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open any browser, go on the search bar and type this Rolly Mons. Just go on this website, Rolly Mons Roblox trading website. Okay, now here, go on top and click on search. Select games and type here Arise Crossover. Okay, here it is. Just click on it and click on play on Roblox. Just scroll down to the bottom and here you will see this option community. Just click on it. And here, as you can see, I've been invited to join the server. Just click on accept as. Okay, the server is currently full, so you can't join it. I can't join it. So basically that's how you can join the server. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.